everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is about savings again. So because today is first of the month and there are new updates to the bank, so I'm here to update you guys. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, so this is today's topic, where to put your liquid money, which is your emergency savings, supposed to be 6 months to 1 year of your income. Okay, updated as of 1st December 2022. So what are the options available? Basically got savings accounts, SSB, and then T-bills. Okay, so savings account will be the most liquid, then this is less liquid lah. I mean, actually government T-bill is a bit more depends on how you see it lah, because actually government T-bill is tradable. To me, it's actually less liquid than SSB, because SSB I can confirm withdraw during the next month and get my accrued interest. Whereas actually government T-bills, if I actually want to get my yield, right, and I want to trade it on the market, is actually quite illiquid, and then not many people are buying or selling lah. Yeah, so need one business day minimally, but in actual fact, I don't think it's that liquid. Yeah, so previously the interest rate 3.47 for SSB, and then SG government T-bills is this one is the 1 year one, this one is the 6 months one. Okay. And then savings account actually quite good now, ranges from 0.05 to about 8%, okay? Yeah, so this is the updates on all the banks. So basically, none of the banks have changed except for UOB One. Oh yeah, in my previous video, there's a slight mistake in the OCBC here. So it's first 75% 1.2 and then next 25k is 2.4 lah. Yeah, so take note of this change, although it's not much difference because I believe nobody does investment insurance with banks. Okay, so UOB One, what have changed is actually this 7.8% lah. Yeah, so basically they never actually change any of their criteria, they only change the percentage. Okay, so very easy to use lah. And basically I will just run through all these banks interest again for you guys to recap. Okay, so average Singaporean demographics will be the same as November. I already calculated what should be the median take-home salary, how much savings you should have around 30 years old, which is around me. I'm 30 years old soon. Okay, then normal card spending will be around normal spending will be around 2k a month, but then card spending wise, you can't spend everything on cards, so around $500 will be quite achievable. And then you will not be willing to do investment and insurance with banks because the extra interest rate is only for 12 months. Okay, so it's not such a great deal lah. So you have to keep every year, you have to sign up a new policy if you want to get this extra interest rate. Okay, so next we go to first one, which is Bank of China Smart Saver. So this is the same as before, 1.03% on 60k savings. Okay, this one I already went through how it works lah. So basically, the calculations are here. You can take a look. Okay. Next, CIMB Fast Saver is 2.3% on 60k. So I also did the calculations here. So first 10k, how much, total how much, and then if yeah, on 60k is about 2.3%. Okay, so 2.37% currently is quite okay if you I mean, if you don't actually have any salary, then you can consider using CIMB Fast Saver. Yeah, they will be good for people who don't have salaries. But this one, you just basically need to do your credit card spending, and it's only $300 per month. Yeah, so you really enjoy these rates. Okay, next, DBS multiplier. So this one I went through before. So basically 2.4% or less on 60k, so 2.4. But this one you need salary crediting. So salary crediting, if you don't have salary crediting, CIMB Fast Saver is still the best. Okay, so if you compare this first three that we have talked about, so far DBS is the best so far. Okay, Maybank really very cui. Yeah, so let's yeah, you can just go and see that 0.25 plus 0.7 is these few products. So basically you got two products, save and spend. Okay, so 0.95 only. Okay, next, OCBC 360 account. If you credit salary, you must credit 1.8. You must save at least, increase your balance by at least $500 a month and spend $500 on credit card. Okay, I want to emphasize that this is on credit card because actually I went to apply for a credit card with OCBC and then they actually rejected me. I have no idea why. Okay, maybe recently I've been applying for quite a lot of credit cards, so they think that my credit limit is too hard. Credit limit too much or whatever. Yeah, so okay, just like side note, I'll show you guys my credit report. Yeah, so this is my credit report. So if you didn't know, you can get free credit reports every time you apply for a credit card because they will help you pay to this CBS and then basically you can get the free report. Okay, so how to get a free report? Just basically key into Google free credit report and then sign in with your SingPass and then they will give you a free credit report. Okay, so this is my free credit report. So basically I recently applied for quite a number of credit cards, so could be the reason why I was rejected. Very weird. Okay, never mind. So this year so far, like since September, I applied for 1, 2, 3. I applied for 3 credit cards. Yeah, but the Citibank card, I didn't take it up. So basically, I only applied for 2 new credit cards. So yeah, don't understand why it's rejected. So anyway, they will show all this what credit cards is available. I mean, you have, and then basically they will issue a score that you have. Basically, previously when I last inquired, you can see that I inquired here a free report in September before I applied for these 2 cards. I had a AA rating. And currently now suddenly dropped to BB rating, don't know why. Okay, so explanation of the scorecard value. So because I have too many inquiries, I guess, and then credit exposure quite high because of the number of credit cards, and then I have an immature credit history, I don't know why. Yeah, so basically BB, and then they rejected my credit card just because it's BB, and then the probability of default is only between 0.27 to 0.67. Yeah, so I am actually quite pissed off with OCBC because they don't even let me earn my extra interest rate for my spending on credit card because I do not have any OCBC credit card at the moment, and here it says credit card, so if I spend on the debit card, it does not give me the extra interest rate, so I cannot qualify for this 3.85 interest. I only can get 3.25 interest, so this one is giving you an additional 0.6%. So very pissed off, and I feel like closing off my OCBC 360 account. Okay, so who is to the rescue is actually UOB, which I'll share about later. Okay, so Standard Chartered bonus saver is same as last time, not very great. If you spend less than 2k a month on credit card, is 1.88, and then 2.88 if you actually spend more than 2k. So no point spending so much, just go with OCBC or UOB, but don't go with OCBC if they don't issue your credit card because that's lame. Yeah, okay, so now I'm moving on to the last one, which is actually the new interest rate as of December. Okay, so it's UOB One. So you can see the first 30k is 3.85 and the next 30k is 3.9. Okay, so basically we only need to look at these 2 interest rate because the rest is above our limit lah. Yeah, so let me fill it up quickly. Should fill. Yeah, so this 2 you add up, it will be 2.2325 per year. So you divide this by 60k, your effective interest rate is 3.875, which is higher than OCBC 3.85. Okay, so anyway, I can't qualify for this because they don't give me my credit card, so I will definitely go with UOB One. Okay, yeah, so UOB One is the best in terms of interest rate. Okay, so in terms of interest rate, UOB One is the best if you have a salary account. I mean, if you have a salary. If you don't have a salary, then go with CIMB Fast Saver, which is 2.37. Okay, then you can compare with SSB and T-bills. So SSB actually loses out to UOB, so depends on what you want. So if you actually are comfortable with 1 month lag time to get your money, and then you don't have a salary, you can go with SSB. So, but if you're not comfortable with that, you just go with CIMB Fast Saver. Okay, then lastly, T-bills, although it's higher than savings rate, but because T-bills are not so liquid, because you need to sell them on the exchange, and then it's not as liquid because nobody is actually really buying T-bills on the secondary market. So it might take some days before you can actually cash out on your T-bills, and then you might actually cash it out at a not so good rate lah. So yeah, least liquid. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's all. Yeah, so that's the end for today, and wanted to let you guys know of this update so you can start telling your HR to credit your salary to the correct bank account. I mean, if you have both OCBC 360 and UOB One, you know where to choose now. It's definitely UOB One. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Oh yeah, please remember to like and subscribe.